Good morning, guys. Eugene here from Genius Trader. This is the weekly Forex forecast for the week ending the 20th of November 2020. All right, guys. You know, the Forex market has, bid farewell to Donald Trump, you know. So the Republicans' behavior, obviously, which is Donald Trump, lost him the election. As we all know, the markets obviously will be bought, like Donald Trump made the market go wild and everything. So the US has been putting together the pieces of its mosaic for a long time and was proud of that. Trump and his team obviously portrayed as a band of youngsters who did everything to destroy it. Biden will, however, have to restore what was damaged. Former relations, glory, and the economy. So the Trump's behavior in the global arena was a real elephant in the room. So let's hope that the Democrat won't behave like him. So yeah, Biden obviously will try and restore the American, economy. Yeah, as I've just explained, former relations and all of that, which was damaged by Donald Trump. And obviously, guys, I don't like to get deep into these things. However, I prefer, you know, um, telling you the most important levels as well as pivot points for the week ahead so that you can make money instead of listening to me, talking about the economy and what did what and who did what. What's the most important thing for us, as the Forex genius, says, is that you guys make money. You know, we're not here to try and look better or try and talk too much and do all these things that seems like we know what we're talking about or what we're doing, whereas you know we do, but some people don't and they talk too much. So I'm just gonna get right into it, and hopefully you guys make a bit of money, and I hope you enjoy this video. So we're gonna start with the USD CAT. The USD CAT, as you can see here, has reached some sort of support, which is fairly a strong support. However, I don't know how the market is going to behave here. So I'll just, it's still Monday. There's no need to rush to get into the market. So we're gonna see if it's gonna get to this pivot point here, the 132, 121, or it will pass it and go to the next key resistance, which is at 133, 133, 700 or 800. Depending on the last, obviously, high there. So what we need to do now is wait and see what's going to happen. So for now, I feel like I believe that the market can just, go up about 100 pips to the, pivot point, and we can start seeing the selling pressure from here all the way to 129 zone. So let's see what happens here. Let's see. The bullish structure has started already, but I feel like it's just going to be for like 100 pips or so, and that's it. So yeah, we wait for a clear market move, or if you want to, you can take this one. It's obviously clearly up to you. Um, I'm just showing you the most important levels for this pair. The USD Swiss franc is the next one. Obviously, is in the middle of the two important key levels, which is 92, you know, 0.18, which is this pair's pivot point. So we want to see this pair come here and see a sell down, um, all the way down to um, 0.89180 or so. So also this, if we can see this, the market reach 0.89 zone, then it will clearly show a move higher. It's not even, sorry, it's, yeah, it's supposed to be 0.8978. So if we can see a move here that comes to this zone, you know, then that's where I can, go all the way in. I can buy in hard. But if it does not happen, it comes to this one, then I'll just sell, properly, you know, not go all the way in, but mind my risk management here. But here, if we get a nice bullish structure, then I'll be going in hard. But obviously, I'll be, some of these trades, when I take them, I'll be obviously sending them into the premium channel or sending you guys in the free channel some of the, setups that we take. Last week, I did send two setups, and I think both of them were successful. Yeah, they were successful, both of them. And I hope you guys made quite a bit of money, and you did manage to, withdraw from our free, signals. Anyway, the next one is the Euro USD. The Euro USD also, 1.18 will be our resistance zone, and 1.17200 will be our pivot point for this week. However, the best buy zone is here at 116 zone, 116,300 to 116,021. This is the best one. But for this week, the pivot point is 117,200. So if we get a break below this zone, then we know that we're going to this one, and this one is the one that I've been eyeing for too long now. So if you can see here, we bought here before. I did mention that this is a pivot point, and the market did get here, and we bought. So you can just see here, you know, with the past behavior, like market behavior, you can see when it gets to the 116 zone, it always bounces high, and it's like always moving about 200 pips, you know, came down again here, moved up again for about 260 pips. So if we can get that move again, then we'll be looking into more than 200 pips or so, because every time we get like a sort of a move like this, one, two, three higher, see, forwards higher, then you're gonna get five, and it will be like most of the time we'll get a higher move. So let's see if we can even squeeze in more pips on that, because obviously we've been, buying on this zone, and it's been giving us quite a bit of money. And I hope you guys always, follow these instructions to the T, so that you actually do make money. You know, the pound actually, I feel like this one, can be your first signal for this week to sell on this zone, because if this supported 131,778 does not hold, then the market will just crash from here on. From what I can see already. Um, but obviously, you must just look at your risk management, because this is not a pivot point. The pivot point is 129,178 here. So if it does happen as I'm saying right now, then we'll probably see a move of 258 pips or so to the downside to our pivot point for this week. And the next one is the USD JPY. USD JPY is already next to the pivot point for this week. What's left is for it to be, retested, and we'll see a move all the way to 106 zone. So what I want to see here is a move down to the 104 11 zone or 104 zone before I can buy in. For now, I don't know what's happening here. I don't know if the market will continue going higher, or it will actually give us, a nice buy zone there. And the gold, um, we've been talking about this pivot point for some time. It's similar to the Euro USD. So we did get like similar moves here, also at the, you know, also with the Euro USD. So 148, 1848 has been our buy zone, you know, for some time. So here, obviously, it was a buy, got about 700 pips, and also here it was another buy. So if you entered here last week, then just hold it for now, or otherwise take profits and wait for the pair to retest for the third time, and we might even get a move to the 2000 zone. However, the trend here is bullish, so we are, still bullish with the gold, unless if we get a break below 1848, and obviously it will take the pair, I mean the commodity pair lower, or otherwise, um, we for now we just stand aside and wait and wait to see what's gonna happen. The AUD USD, the Australian dollar. Here we actually, I was interested in this pair last week. We actually bought in the premium channel. So it's more okay. So this would be our support zone. 0.70 would be our key support zone for this week. Um, let's see, the key resistance zone actually been passed here. Let's see. This would be our key resistance zone. So it seems like the market has broken above the key resistance zone, which is at 0.72350. So what we might see here is maybe a retest here and a move even higher. Unless if you get a break below the zone, then we can consider looking into selling this pair. But for now, this is the strong support zone because it used to be a resistance, as you can see previously here, but now it has turned into support. So even if we get another move down here, I'm still looking into buying this pair. And also remember the euro is enthusiastic about the vaccine. So also here, the we the outlook of the market is bullish, on the higher time frames. And that is all for this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up, share, and follow everything. Follow the instructions. Like every time when I give you such videos, and people don't make money, I actually become surprised because I give you everything. You know, all you need to do is have patience and execute as the key levels come through. Yeah, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. Goodbye.